Okay. Not messing with my hair in this video, so I'll try. We're cooking.
When did you push record?
Just a second ago.
Okay, making sure.
Hey, we're gonna cook chicken nuggets and fries.
Which one's first?
Nuggets. We're gonna cook chicken nuggets.
This is how we cook it. We open it. Yeah.
Are you ready to rumble? Oh, that's hot. You get a deep fryer like this. Woo! Yeah.
I'm gonna stop.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Oh.
All right. Next.
You do it.
Next, you're gonna go like this. Put it down. Woo! And you put this over it.
I'm like wick.
And let it sizzle.
Why would you do that? It's
Look out.
So now we wait. Push stop and then we'll like open it. We'll turn it on when we're done. Ah! You're wasting it. What is wrong with you?
Why don't you hold this? You just slapped me in my boob, really?
Stupid goodness!
We'll be back. I don't know how to